DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a modern flexible drone equipped with a Hasselblad camera and dual tele cameras. Mavic 3 Pro is a triple camera drone that unlocks new shooting perspectives, allowing you to embrace creative freedom further, capture fascinating scenery, explore photographic storytelling, and make cinematic masterpieces at all times. The Mavic 3 Pro uses the DJI 3 Plus transmission system that can transmit a 1080p 60 fps live camera feed at a distance of up to 9.3 miles 15 kilometers in the United States and up to 5 miles 8 kilometers in other regions, although this is far beyond what is legal in most regions. The difference between Mavic 3 and Mavic 3 Pro is as follows. The Mavic 3 Pro houses one more camera than the standard Mavic 3, which does add some weight. With a slightly heavier design, the Mavic 3 Pro is not as aerodynamic as the Mavic 3, resulting in a total max flight time of 43 minutes compared to the 46 minutes of Mavic 3. DJI Mavic 3 requires a license to control. The Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) requires every DJI Mavic operator to register drones before flying. Aircraft weighing over 55 pounds, just over 2 sticks of butter, must have compliant marking labels visible for identification and carry a certificate of registration, that is Flight ID. One may ask, can DJI Mavic 3 Pro fly in rain? Other DJI aircrafts, such as the Mini, Air, Mavic and the Phantom series, do not have an IP rating. It is therefore advised not to fly them in the rain. How about the batteries? How long does a Mavic 3 battery last? The answer is simple. 46 minutes of maximum flight time with DJI Mavic 3 and 43 minutes of maximum flight time with DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Thank you for watching High Tech Gadgets channel on YouTube. Kindly subscribe to the channel. Remember to like video, comment, and share. DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a modern flexible drone equipped with a Hasselblad camera and dual tele cameras. Mavic 3 Pro is a triple camera drone that unlocks new shooting perspectives, allowing you to embrace creative freedom further, capture fascinating scenery, explore photographic storytelling, and make cinematic masterpieces at all times.